Today I'm going to show you how to make the spinach risotto. It's quick and easy, makes a really cheap dinner. I popped this together because we needed dinner and I just kind of rummaged for all bits that we had, and this just came together and made a wonderful dinner that's really easy to make. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which will go through step by step how to make it, the full recipe and everything you need, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this recipe a try and what you think of it. Start by sauteing onion and garlic in a frying pan until golden and fragrant. Then pour over your risotto rice. It's up to you the kind of rice you'd like to use. You can use a arborio, or I just use whichever rice I've got in the kitchen, honestly, and just toss that through really well with the onion and the garlic just to become a bit fragrant. And then you can pour over your stock or water. I actually just use water and then add parmesan at the end for flavor. It is up to you. So yeah, pour it over and just pour it over a half a cup, let it simmer away, and once that liquid's been absorbed, add in more. You could also start with a half a cup of wine if you want, and then go for a half a cup at a time of boiling water or stock. It is up to you, but yep, keep adding half a cup at a time, and as soon as it's been absorbed, add another half a cup. Give it a toss, keep a close eye on it. This isn't something you can kind of walk away from. Just keep a close eye, keep adding a half a cup, and once everything has been absorbed and you're happy that the risotto is almost cooked to your liking, that's when we add in the spinach and throw over a good few handfuls of spinach. I kind of go a big handful at a time, toss it through, let it wilt, then add another handful. It is up to you how much you'd like to add. Just keep adding until you're happy with how much spinach there is. So keep tossing it through, get it all, it wilts really quickly. That's why I wait until the risotto's almost done, because then also the liquid from the spinach gets absorbed in. So this was after the first handful of spinach. It was wilted, but I wanted more, so I added over a second big handful of spinach and let that wilt through. Once you're completely happy with your risotto, then you can serve it straight away, but I like to add a good few handfuls of parmesan, especially if you add water and not stock. I find it definitely needs some extra flavor and saltiness, and I find you get all of that from parmesan. So kind of just let it melt in and then give it a toss through, and then you've got this lovely cheesy spinach risotto, which we just can't get enough of. And it really was just made from things I pulled from the kitchen. You probably got a few of these. You could use frozen spinach, that way you could really always make this meal. You've got frozen spinach, there's always rice in your pantry. Grab onion, garlic, stock or water, and you're good to go. Super easy. But that is the video for today for how to make this easy spinach risotto recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this risotto a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.